Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kazzaroo. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a very cozy eye look using the Reckless Romance palette. And let's open this beautiful palette up. And in here you get 12 mattes and 8 beautiful shimmers. And yeah, let's go ahead and create a lovely look together. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go ahead and take is Rebel, which is this lovely red shade. And we're going to put that pretty much all up in my crease, like here. Let's get some more. It's like a pinky red shade. It's very nice though, and it's really pigmented. So let's see what kind of look we can get of this one. See, look how pigmented that is. So pigmented. Okay, and I did the other side the best I could, and I'm happy with how that looks. And the next colour, we're going to deepen out this bit of the outer corner, and I'm going to take the shade Fair, which is just a deeper red, almost like leaning on sort of like burgundy red. And I'm going to use my shady side of my brush. I'm just going to dip a little bit in and focus it on the outer corner, just like this. Kind of want it just in this area, really. Just want it quite deep here. Just gonna pack that on, and I might need to blend into this area just a little bit, like so. Looking good. Let's make sure it's all blended in into the other shade a little bit more now. So don't want it looking patchy. Almost like we're doing a wing. Just blending it a bit more. And now I'm just gonna deepen it up again with another one. Dip, another dip. Pat, pat, pat. I'm just building up this shade at the moment, but I want to leave this bit free. Just something else. And now I'm gonna actually switch brushes back to this one and just take a bit more of that deeper shade and see if I can deepen up this bit here, just a bit in the crease. But I don't want to take away the light shade we just did up above. That's why I like switching with this one. It's just fun having a double-ended brush so you can switch. I don't have to keep dipping in and out of getting different brushes. Like so. I think we're happy with that. Okay, so we just deepened it out. Same on both sides. Now we're going to add a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going to get the NYX Glitter Primer, which is this one, in case you haven't seen it. It is a good one for shimmers. Just apply a little bit. I'm just putting it on my finger. You can use a brush if you want to, but I'm just dabbing it on where we've got this clear bit of lid space. And I'm applying just a little bit again. Just that much, not that much. A little bit really goes a long way, and I find if you apply it a bit more thinner, it actually works better. I think before I was just putting on too much and I wasn't liking how the shadows were applying, so now I can feel it on my finger. Just wait until it gets tacky, don't slap yourself in the face. Or air dry that. I was gonna say blow dry it, sort of blow drying it with my hands. Okay, and then for shimmer we're gonna go in with this beautiful Muse, because I want it to be very berry-licious. That's what this look is going to be all about. Cozy, warm, berry-licious vibes for November. And just Beauty Bay. Oh, the sparkles. They're just so pretty. So pretty. Here we go. Let's see if I can show you when I go to apply with my mirror. So sparkly. Just gonna pat it on. But even with just patting it on, did I get any fallout? I got like one bit of glitter there, but not much really. I'm just gonna apply that all over the bit where we put the NYX primer anyway. That's so pretty. I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye. And boom, check out that sparkle. Crazy sparkly, so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys like it too. And then to brighten up the inner corner, instead of a shimmer, because we've got so much shimmer going on, I just went in with the #1 shade just to lighten up that outer corner. And that's it. That's the finished look. I finished off with a bit of Maybelline Moon Gloss. Haven't done my mascara for the purpose of the video because I'll be doing it some more. I'll just be wiping off. I feel like it's a waste. But you can get the idea of what this will look like with mascara on or your false eyelashes. And you can finish it off with maybe a dark eyeliner or a nude. But yeah, this is how it looks. And I absolutely love this very delicious shade from the Reckless Romance palette. If you haven't tried this palette, it's a really lovely one. I think you would love it, especially if you love all these shades. They perform really beautifully. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.